Alright guys, so I got my little water over here boiling with my bouillon cubes in it. Getting ready to make a quick creamy parm pasta. I want this water to get a little bit more higher with shrimp and scallops for me and Naya. I just loaded a video, not loaded, but I just got done recording a video on the deveining of the shrimps and stuff. Put a little bit of butter in there as well. My cookies are done. I actually left them on the doggone pan. I'm gonna let this kind of roast before I put my shrimp and stuff in there. I'll season them up. I'm not gonna do too much with them, being that they are going to have like a what do you call it? A creamy parm sauce on them. I'm not gonna do too much. It's not really creamy. It's gonna be a light sauce, not too much going on. So I'm just seasoning this with adobo, garlic, onion powder, and some thyme and some basil, all that good stuff. And then I'm gonna put it in here and let it do its thing. Where's my oregano? Yeah, hold on, y'all. Some oregano. It's gonna be real light. Parmesan cheese, we're gonna use the powder. It's just a quick pasta for me and Naya. So I want this to be like roasted, so that's why I'm letting this garlic brown up. Let that cook a little bit more. My water is boiling, so I'm gonna put my pasta in it. And I have my nori cubes, two of the chicken regular bouillon cubes from whatchamacallit. Oh, I forgot this is regular spaghetti. I do not like regular spaghetti. Oh, I don't like regular spaghetti because it's too thick to me. Do I have anything else to use? Let's see, y'all. I'm gonna have to change this whole thing up. Oh, guess I ain't got no choice. I hate regular spaghetti. It's so thick and disgusting to me. I do not like it. I'll eat it, but that's all we got. And I want pasta, so there we go. That's that roasted. That's the roastedness I'm looking for. So you guys told me some of the stuff you were cooking, so I'm just gonna mix this stuff up. It's all gonna get all over everything anyway, so it's not no big deal. And this is so freaking simple, y'all. When I say so simple, so simple. So simple. And that flavor is going to really, oh. I never try to break these. I let them try to fall in there on their own. Yeah, so those are going to fall down and all that goodness. Let's get back over here. We're going to cut this up so this can cook a little faster. It does not take long for shrimp and stuff to cook at all. So once I see these doing their thing, I'm going to get my milk. And where is it? Oh. So some milk and a little bit of mayo. And we're going to use some of that water since it's already got the broth in it to flavor this. So I'll let that cook. Let these cook. I'll be right back, guys. So in here, when you start to learn the benefits of mayonnaise in your dishes, you will thank me later. Okay, mayonnaise is a freaking amazing. It makes things so much more creamier if you do not have a what do you call it, sauce or anything like that. I'm telling you, mayonnaise is amazing. It is a amazing thing, and it is going to cook out and do its thing once it gets in there. So in here, I just got my mayonnaise, some milk. Y'all try this and y'all see what I'm talking about. Y'all gonna be like, girl. And this is I'm gonna put this in. And this is just the start of like a cream, just a cream light sauce, right? But that hot stuff is going to melt the mayonnaise and everything. So you don't have to worry about it. And so I got that like that. I'm going to grab some more oregano. Put that in here. And some parsley. Put that in there. Just to give it. Now, I don't want to do any seasoning to this until after. See how thick and creamy that's looking already? When you've been in the kitchen for years, you know how to create things without buying extra stuff that's not needed. So these are getting cooked in this nice old sauce. But I'm not going to cook these all the way. Not sauce, but broth. I'm going to cook them al dente because they're going to cook more inside of here. Okay? Now always remember, if you want to thicken your sauce or whatever after you put it in there and it's not giving you what you want, you can always add a little bit of flour to make a slurry, or you can add cornstarch. So these are almost done. I don't want to overcook them because they're going to continue cooking. So I can put this in here just like that. And see how it's going to mesh with all that good stuff. And this Parmesan in here. And this is a point where you can actually taste it to see how tasty it is, because you don't want to overcook the scallops and the shrimps. And the starch from the pasta is going to thicken this even more, so you don't want to add no starch or anything from the beginning. You want to wait until you see how it thickens with the pasta first, and then do that. And you want to cover it too. Let me get all my goodness out this bowl. I am not playing. I'll be trying to get all my goodies out. Sometimes you just, now I could have made Alfredo, but I don't, that's not what I wanted today. That is definitely not what I wanted today. So we're going to just let that sit until we're ready for the pasta, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is about where we want it to be. So I'm going to drain this into a bowl and then put the pasta in here. So I left some of the liquid in there. Didn't get rid of all of it. And so now we about to toast this. Like this. And I'm going to put a top on this. And then see how it thickens up. And then come back. And if you've been rocking with me, you know I do mayonnaise in my meatloaf. I do mayonnaise in so many different things. That is a combining agent and a thickener as well. So we're getting ready to cut this on and put a top on it. See y'all? I just took the lid off. It is thickening up. It's getting thicker on its own. I'm say another 5 minutes and we will be in there like swimwear. Alright guys, so this is not a totally, you know, regular cooking video. This is me showing you one of my creamy pasta recipes where you don't need all that fancy stuff. This is so freaking good. Now at this point here, guys, you can add some more of this. And we are cutting this off, okay? It is going off. It is nice, thick and creamy. And it was made with milk and mayonnaise, okay? And some flavored bouillon cube water. And yeah, that's it. If you want it thicker, you can also, like I said, add you some flour to make it thicker, add more cheese, and you can turn it into a fettuccine, but this is not a fettuccine. This is a creamy parm, quick, easy pasta. I ain't gonna say the po' man version, but when you ain't got everything version. So yeah, let me plate it for me and my babe, me and Naya, and I'll show it to you. So we ain't gonna talk about how your girl forgot to take the cookies off the thing and put them on the warming rack. So I am improvising and powdering them and putting them straight into my little storage container for my cookies. Y'all, I gotta do better. I know. But yeah, I be doing a lot, trying to get stuff done and trying to do requests in the meantime or in the middle of things as well. But yeah, I definitely am going to plate that after I'm done with these, because I just want this to be out of the way. So let me do this, and then I'll plate the pasta. I wanted y'all to see these. These are so freaking good. I remember one time I was in Sam's. If y'all remember the story, I told y'all this some years ago. And I wanted these so bad. This since we've been here. I wanted these so bad because they had tasters. Like we could taste them. They had put like butter on them. So I bought the big bulk bag. But I ended up getting this one from Walmart. It's only like 10 rows in here. I just opened them. But look at what you can do. Like little sliders and stuff. I never thought about that. These are the bomb. If you never tried them, you are sadly mistaken. I'm telling you right now. They are so tender. They do taste just like old school yeast rolls. The bomb. Okay. Now I already took her plate. Mom already got her food. So I'm about to plate mine. I'm done with the cookies. I gave Mom some cookies. So yeah, let me plate my food so you guys can see it. A must. Butter. It is a must for these. Oh my gosh, y'all. Alright, so my food is ready. Let's look at it. I know. It ain't bold. It ain't plated. It's bold. But this is the creamy parm, scallop and shrimp, roasted pasta. Oh my gosh. Y'all don't even understand. Naya already done killed hers. It's gone. It's over. So yeah. I know my mom gonna be texting me soon talking about, oh my gosh, she loved pasta with shrimps and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a lot of ways to skin a cat, guys. Look how nice and creamy this is. Let me taste this. Oh my gosh, hold on. I hope you guys enjoyed this, chatting and cooking with me. You can basically make this by going by this video. I didn't really want to do setting all ingredients out and doing all that. Just wanted to chat and cook with y'all. But oh my gosh, look at that. I will see you guys in the next video. Later, guys.